Today I'm going to share with you my favorite tanning products from 2019 that I was loving using in 2019. If you have used any of these products, let me know in the comment section. I'm curious to know how your experience was with them. If you like to tan, self-tan, leave in the comment section what is your favorite product for self-tanning. I'm going to be sharing these products with you in the order in which I would apply them, but obviously there are going to be products in between these steps that I'm not talking about in this video. But if you want me to make a tanning routine video, I can definitely make that for you. Okay, the first product that I want to share with you are some tanning wipes. These are for body. This one I have from L'Oreal Paris. I've been liking this. I wouldn't say love. The reason why I said like is because I use the Dr. Dennis Gross glow pads. Those ones for the body are amazing. You get a beautiful color that's very much an olive type of a color, and it's beautiful. I love that olive skin tone tan. These ones are okay if you're on a budget. These are okay, but the Dr. Dennis Gross ones are amazing. Dr. Dennis Gross also has the glow pads for the face. Those are amazing as well. I love the wipes. The wipes I will do when I shave and exfoliate. Every 2 weeks or every 10 days, I will do a shave and exfoliate. The next thing I want to talk about is something I've been using right now more frequently. This is something I would use in the winter time. This is a NARS Body Glow Oil. It is definitely a dry oil, so it does dry down. It does leave a sheen to the skin, a glow to the skin. This does not do any kind of self-tanning, but rather in the winter time, I love to apply it. If I'm showing my legs, which is not that often during the winter time, but when I do, I want my skin to look healthy. I don't dislike my body skin color. It just tends to be more green than what I like to see in photos. So this really helps me with that. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the Tanology. You can find this in Target. It is $20 for this bottle. Self-tan drops in medium. I could have even gone the darker one. I have been using this on my face and on my body in certain parts whenever I feel like I need to re-up on my tan. Every 2 weeks or every 10 days, I will do a shave and exfoliate. In the middle, if I feel like I need to re-up my tan, I would go with something like this. Something that you can add into a skincare product like a lotion or a cream, or it can add to something like this, an oil. These would pair amazingly together. I will be pairing them and showing them with you more. You can always add on to your tan and you don't have to shave and exfoliate and start from scratch each time. Rather, you can have like a 2 weeks, 10-day cycle with your tan. That's how I plan my tan. I also love the color that this gives. It gives a olive type of a tan, not an orangey or a red type of a tan. I use it quite a lot. Still, it looks like I have used none, so it seems to have a lot in it. It's deceiving. This is the Mystique Tan. This is a Protect and Tan. It is a 2-in-1. It is SPF 50. It's UVA and UVB sunscreen and gradual self tanner, and it is water resistant for 80 minutes. So how I like to use it is, let's say if I'm going to the beach and I want to get tanned in 2 hours or so, this will give you a nice tan. I had seen a few of these on Sephora's website, some high-end ones. I wanted to see if there was something available in drugstores. I was really surprised to find this Mystique Tan brand at Target. I think this is an amazing product. It makes me feel like I'm going out in the sun and getting tan and being carefree, but I'm not. I'm protecting myself and I'm getting like a tan too, which is really awesome. So I love this product. If you either have some tan lines that you're trying to blur, or you just want to match your face with your legs, because sometimes I don't get the same amount of sun on my legs as I do on my face. Sometimes my face can be darker than my legs. So when I do tend to show my legs, I like to wear a cover up or a body makeup or something to make it look a little tanner, but I know that in the shower it's gonna wash off. This one is by Vita Liberata. This is the body blur. This is an instant HD skin finish. Lasts for 24 hours, which means it doesn't transfer off. I absolutely love this product. product, especially when I used to have really dark tan line between my chest and my underarm area. I super appreciated this product. Any of these pigmented type of products I like to use with a wide, dense brush. This one is by Becca and it is natural bristles because it does shed. Any of the products that leave a residue behind on the hands, I like to take it on a brush and rub it in with the brush into my skin. So that's a tip. I love to try self-tanners out. I was a big fan of Saint Tropez until I started diving into some drugstore products. But like I said, Dr. Dennis Gross knocks it out of the park for me each time. So do give them a shot. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something new. If you did, please make sure to share it with a friend, with anyone that you know is girly and would be interested in something like this. I highly appreciate it. Anyways, take care. I will see you next time. Bye!